In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add borders in Google Slides. By the end, you'll know a simple, reliable way to frame your slides so your content stands out without using any add-ons or complicated settings. First, head to Google Slides in your web browser. If you're not already on the home page, you can navigate to the Slides site and make sure you're signed in so everything saves automatically. To keep things clear, start fresh by choosing blank presentation. You can apply the same approach to any existing slide, but a blank canvas makes it easy to see what's happening. Once your slide opens, look along the top toolbar for the shape button. This is where all the basic shapes live, and it's exactly what we'll use to create a clean border. Click Shape and then choose the Shapes category. For borders, a simple rectangle works perfectly because it follows the edges of your slide. After you've selected your shape, click to activate it. Now it's time to draw. Click and drag across your slide to create the rectangle. Aim to hug the edges of the slide with a small margin so it looks like a frame rather than covering your content area. If it isn't quite right on the first try, that's normal. You can drag the blue handles on the sides and corners to resize and reposition until it's balanced. A quick tip, zooming in a little helps you align the edges more precisely. With the rectangle in place, look back to the top toolbar and find Border Weight. This controls how thick the outline appears. Click Border Weight, then select a weight that matches your style from subtle and thin to bold and eye-catching. As you adjust, watch the rectangle update immediately so you can judge what looks best. If the line feels too heavy or too light, simply choose a different weight until the frame complements your content without overpowering it. Remember, you can always refine the rectangle's size after setting the weight, drag the handles to bring it closer to the edge, or pull it inward for a more stylized matte effect. If your rectangle shifted while you were adjusting the weight, just click and drag it back into place. And if you make a change you don't like, use undo to step back. That's it. You've created a polished border using a simple shape and the border weight control. Practice this once or twice and you'll be able to add clean, consistent borders to any slide in seconds.